how to measure distance and area in Google Earth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to measure distance and area in Google Earth. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Earth app and then uh, find the location where you want to measure the distance, and then you can see measure option at the bottom. Tap on it and then tap on add point. So just tap on the point and then just drag it around. So you can see that it is measuring the location as you drag it around. uh, just make sure that the distance is always measured in a straight line in Google Earth. So you can see that the distance is shown in kilometers. So this is how you measure distance on your Google Earth. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.